so L&H started with visual in 2001. We bought it because of its concurrent finite scheduling capabilities. And we use that all visual, but we use the scheduling to make sure all of our transactions are going through the company. And we were able to grow from about $10 million at that time to $100 million in sales in visual, and largely because of that, because of being able to track and organize all of our jobs.
The benefits of being on a more efficient and effective software are that the customer service people, for example, can answer customer questions much more quickly with much more precision. The planners know what's needed when in fewer steps and can react and plan the supply instead of trying to understand what the demand side looks like.
Scheduling side, it's a great tool for scheduling. We use that a lot. Once you get all your data in place, it is a great tool to have.
We were kind of using back of a napkin Word document kind of planning for the next couple weeks to a month for what's the load going to be in our shop, what's coming down the pipeline, what sales are there. But now we've transitioned with visual using the scheduler function. We've already seen benefits from increased on-time delivery, better utilization, the ability to take more customer orders than we would have previously. Well, we want to be able to tell a customer when they order something 4 months out that, yeah, you're going to get it at this date. We're not going to just pull a number out of the air and guess at it. So it's given us the ability to say, yes, we can do this in this time and feel good about it because we go back and say, okay, the data says this, our scheduler says this, we're going to be able to do it.
Shop floor is another neat feature. This thing is above and beyond what a lot of the other guys are doing. Shop floor allows us to walk around with tablets instead of stacks of papers on clipboards, and will allow us to go in, reorganize jobs, reassign jobs to various assets within the company.
With the multi-site, we can all talk to each other. We use the same language, we're using the same technology, and everybody kind of speaks as one. So we do have a lot of effort going back and forth between facilities and keeping everybody up to speed and on the same page, but visual makes that very easy.
Visual helped us in the fact that they made a lot of quick links, little diagonal arrows next to like a order ID or something on either the purchase order screen that you could quickly click on the link and would take you back to whatever that was. If it's an order ID, you went back to the customer order screen, or a part took you to part maintenance, or a work order took you to work order. It made it more efficient for everybody doing their jobs instead of having to go up and open another module and then type it in again. It's increased their productivity, I would say probably about 30–40%.
Once we implemented Visual Financial was that we reduce our process errors. We streamline our business processes such as the accounting activities. We had so much more traceability on our parts from receiving all the way to invoicing and paying. We had a lot more visibility for our management to make on-time decisions, and we had live data, which we didn't have previously. In the accounting department, we reduced our process time by at least 50%. So that is entering invoices, accounts payable, to having our financial reports 2 or 3 weeks before we normally would have had them done.